back again, and this is kind of just like a little quick fun thing that I'm so tired, oh my gosh, that you can do with pretty much stuff you have in your house. Again, trying to be resourceful, repurposeful, and DIY. So we're gonna make a sugar scrub, a super simple, super quick, easy sugar scrub. So you'll need a cup of regular sugar, and then I still have to measure it, but you'll need 1/3 of a cup of fractionated coconut oil, and then essential oil of your choice. There's lavender, rose, vanilla, mint. I mean, you could do whatever. I'm gonna do orange because I'm feeling like I want some like invigoration, you know? And then you need, if you want the scrub to be colored, you can get like a soap colorant powder off of Amazon. I prefer not to do that just because it's like extra stuff I don't need to really add to it. And then vitamin E oil, like 1/2 teaspoon. I started this and I actually ended up, I thought I had vitamin E oil and I'm out, but you'll just add the vitamin. I'll tell you when to add the vitamin E oil. So first, what you're gonna do is you're going to measure your coconut oil. Okay, so I have my coconut oil. I'm gonna put it in here, 1/3 of a cup. And then you're gonna put the essential oil with the coconut oil, and then the vitamin E oil would all go in here. You need about 50 drops of essential oil. So, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Smells so good. Okay, and then that was a lot. Okay, and then like I said, you would put the vitamin E oil in there. So then you're gonna put the sugar in here. Okay. Okay. So like I said, basically you're gonna mix your like wet ingredients and dry ingredients separately. If you're doing something that's like, if you did like a lavender and you wanted to put some dry like lavender in there, you can do that. And a tip for that would be to put that in with the dry ingredients, like the powder if you want to use the colorant, and then the sugar and the botanical pieces. You can blend it together in a blender, and that would kind of like make it all go together. But like I said, I'm not gonna do that. So, but super easy to do. You can add that in. So you're gonna do the two separately, and then once you have them mixed, you're gonna pour this in. Okay. And you're just gonna stir it up. It smells so good. Okay, so you can do lemon, you can do, I mean, really the possibilities are endless. I like to every once in a while do like a body sugar scrub. It feels good, it smells good. This is natural, this is made from your kitchen. You know what's in it. And then really like that's basically it. And then once you have it all stirred up, you're gonna wanna transfer it to your jar and put the lid on. So I know that was like super simple, but those are the best things, is when they're super simple and quick. It smells so good, it's gonna feel so good. And yeah, I mean, I'll show you, like I said, you just transfer it to the jar, put the lid on it, put it in your shower. If you have like a label maker or something like that, put the label it, make it cute, whatever you want to do. The jars that we made with you guys from the beach, you could put some in there. I mean, this was like I don't even know what this was, but we've talked to you guys about saving all of your jars and everything like that, because it's so simple to make things use them for everything. Okay, so I so appreciate you guys coming and watching us again, for tuning in. So just make sure you like and subscribe. We have some, like I said, we have some great ideas, and we're gonna try to keep the channel going and as interesting as possible for you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe so you can get all of our tools and information to come at you. So thanks again. Bye.